Good morning, students. In our previous lecture, we did short vowel sound. Now let's focus on long vowel sounds. When two vowels go walking, sometimes the first vowel does the talking. That means when two vowels are together in a word, we only speak the sound of first vowel. For example, long vowel AI sounds like A. Let us see by examples. RAIN, rain. TRAIN, train. Long vowel AY also sounds like A. Let us see by examples. DAY, day. MAY, may. PAY, pay. Understood? Now next long vowel is EA and EE. Both sounds like E. So let us see by examples. TEAT, TEACHER, teacher. With vowel double E, MEET, meet. SEEC. Understood? The next long vowel is OA. It sounds like the long O sound. For example, BOAT, boat. COAT, coat. Now, the next long vowel OW and OU sounds like ow. For example, CLOWN, clown. COW, cow. CLOUD, cloud. Long vowel double O sounds like oo. For example, BOOT, boot. MOON, moon. SPOON, spoon.